Guys, you remember that huge fail with this Parkside bandsaw? The moment of truth! What the fuck? Well, I contacted the manufacturer and they sent me a replacement tool. I have another, hopefully working bandsaw in this box. And they even let me keep the broken one.
Hey Edward, but why would you want to keep a broken tool?
Well, as I said the last time, at least it can hold my coffee now. I cannot wait to open this box and to see if I can finally cut something. Let's do it, guys. Let's put this to our fame or shame corner. And the first thing I noticed, it's not actually the same Parkside branding here on this box. It actually says Grizzly Tools. Crap. It actually says Grizzly Tools here. And also on the drawing of the tool, I don't see the Parkside mark here. So I wonder if the tool itself has it or not. Let's open the box and see. Very curious. They don't allow us to use the cutter. Very funny. A box in a box. Jesus, I didn't expect that. Why? Please tell me why. Probably they know. They know that I love boxes. Attempt number 2. Oh wow, look, they forbid us to use the cutter. Should we follow this instruction? Oh wow, another box! Just kidding. Okay, look, they have the Parkside branding. So, I guess it's completely, totally the same tool. But what is that? The paint is missing. What is that here? Some kind of glue? Parkside, will you continue surprising me? Jesus Christ, look at that. Look at this packaging, guys. Oh my god. The saw is bent. The saw is completely damaged already just because they packed it incorrectly, improperly. Oh my god. Guys, I'm not making this up. Look. Look how poorly is that packed. The blade is resting on the carton, so it's deformed completely. They just didn't pack it very well. They put the blade right on this carton and it's completely destroyed. The blade is destroyed, guys. It's not even funny anymore, Parkside. What do I do with that? Should I make some pictures? Of course I will make some pictures. If I claim it a second time, they are not going to believe me. They will say, hey Edward, you're making this up. Stop making up the stories. Our tools are perfect. They ripped it off from its position. It should be like that. It's like that now. It should be like that. Like here. Like here, guys. Look. Guys, tell me, should I claim it right away? Do we continue or should I claim it right away? I have no words, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with this. Do you know that it's the third time in a row I unbox a tool with a complete fail, with total fail. Third time in a row, the same brand. Second time in a row, the same tool, guys. It's not even funny anymore. Someone will have to make more funny shorts about Parkside. I don't even know what to do next. I want to pack it back and to send it back without even removing it from the box. But the thing is, they don't need their broken tools. They let me keep this one. They will let me keep this one as well. Do I need a third one? Do I need a third bandsaw, guys? You know what? I will text them right away. Good afternoon. I have just received the replacement tool, and while unboxing I noticed it was improperly packed and has a damaged blade. Please see attached pictures. Should I claim another replacement in this case, and do you want to receive the damaged tool back? Thank you for your support. Kind regards. It's amazing. It's amazing. Actually, it's great. Because this story didn't finish yet, guys. We are still in the same place. With 2 broken tools now. With 3 broken tools, actually. I have the column drill that is disaster as well. Woo!